Hey there, David Carter with Carter Injury Law. Today I want to talk about something that hits close to home for way too many Florida families. Wrongful death claims involving pedestrian fatalities. Florida has some of the highest pedestrian accident rates in the country. Whether it's because of busy intersections in Tampa, distracted drivers in Miami, or poorly marked crosswalks in Orlando, we see far too many tragedies that never should have happened. If you've lost a loved one who was hit by a car while walking, you might be wondering, do I have a case? Can I hold someone accountable? Let's walk through it, step by step. When a pedestrian is killed in an accident and the driver was negligent, you are eligible to file a wrongful death claim, or someone, a surviving person or a personal representative of the estate can. That means if someone was texting while driving, speeding, ran a red light, or just wasn't paying attention, and they struck your loved one, that's not just an accident. That's a wrongful death under Florida law. And yes, even if criminal charges aren't filed, you can still bring a civil claim. Because justice isn't just about jail time. It's also about financial accountability and compensation for the family left behind. So how does this work? Well, in Florida, a wrongful death claim must be filed by the personal representative of the deceased's estate, usually a spouse, parent, adult child, or someone appointed by the court. This claim can seek compensation for funeral and burial expenses, any medical care provided before they passed related to the accident, loss of income and financial support for the family, and then emotional pain and suffering of those left behind, and the family members. And then also the loss of companionship and guidance from the loved one who's passed away. So think about it this way. It's not just about what happened. It's about everything your loved one would have continued to bring to your life if that other driver had just done the right thing. I want to be clear, you don't have to figure this out alone. Insurance companies, they're not exactly known for their compassion. They'll try to downplay what happened. They'll try to blame the pedestrian. At Carter Injury Law, we do not let that fly. At Carter Injury Law, what we do is we investigate the accident thoroughly, we work with expert witnesses if needed to recreate the scene, and we make sure your loved one's story is told fully, truthfully, fairly, and honestly to a jury. So if your family is grieving after a pedestrian accident and you're wondering what comes next, reach out. We'll explain your rights, we'll go over the details, and we'll help you take the next steps, even if that seems impossible right now. I'm David Carter from Carter Injury Law. We are here to help Florida families find clarity, justice, and support after an unthinkable loss. Call us today at Carter Injury Law for your free consultation.